What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a digital signature to your PDF files. So first off, open the Adobe Acrobat application, and then if you are new here, just sign up with your email and password. And after that, just select your recent PDF that you want to open, select it, and then click on Fill and Sign. And after that, on the left side, as you can see, this is my signature, and I can add more initials, like I can add more signatures, and then I can just simply select it, and then I can paste it anywhere I want in my PDF. Like this, when I click here, it has been set it here, and I can just enlarge it as much as I want, and I can change the font size, the font weight, and here are some additional settings like I can change it to the initial, the cross mark, the check mark. I can change it as anything, and this is how you can add an e-signature to your PDF in Adobe Reader. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.